Hi everyone, Mikey B here again. I'm a technical evangelist for AI here at Nutanix. Today we're diving into the platform enhancements found in the latest release of Nutanix Enterprise AI 2.5. Let's go! Alright, first, account access just got a whole lot more robust, and the end result is much more simple. When clicking on users now inside of Nutanix Enterprise AI 2.5, you get a whole new set of options, the key one being your IDP configuration. This allows you to quickly choose between Active Directory or OpenLDAP or even SAML and configure those well-known options to ensure that your users and groups are integrated for secure access for Nutanix Enterprise AI. SAML is very similar, allowing you to create a SAML-based configuration for that identity provider and making sure that all these things are seamless and work for you right now. All right, we've also upgraded the logging experience with built-in Rsyslog support. Clicking on settings and then going to Syslog server brings up the new Syslog server configuration where we can quickly click on, put in your required fields and connect that to your enterprise syslog that you have running in your environment. That means IT teams can export and manage these logs wherever they need them, no extra work. All right, now let's jump into what's new with licensing in NAI 2.5. Jumping into the settings piece in NAI 2.5 and going into the licensing section gives you some new features. We've made this even easier. So now the new, more flexible licenses are supported, as well as the previous free trial is now moved to a 60-day proof of concept. All right, last thing for the platform. Did we mention there's new models available from NVIDIA and Hugging Face? And guess what? They are all pre-validated, meaning that Nutanix has taken the time to security scan them and size them for the infrastructure requirements to make them deployable in just a couple clicks. And look at this list. There's something for everyone. My favorites are the new OpenAI models, the general LLMs that are available, and the cool magistral small reasoning model that's non-Chinese based. So whether you're an admin, a developer, or just getting started, the platform's foundation is stronger than ever. Pretty rad. Time to recap the new platform experiences available in Nutanix Enterprise AI 2.5. So we've talked about how we've added new IDPs, including Active Directory and SAML. Pretty awesome. We've also talked about that right here, you can add Syslog server support super easily so that your enterprise logs are all aggregated, especially from your AI apps. Next, we talked about how licensing is easier, it's better, and you also get the ability to run a 60-day POC trial, which is pretty awesome. Last, we talked about all the new models that are available and how you can test those right away. Stick with me and we'll talk through more on what's new in Nutanix Enterprise AI 2.5. See you next time.